This is a business doing its own work. One agent is directing 5 others, and nobody is touching the keyboard. It is running a workflow it was designed to run, and it will still be running it tomorrow. And this is how almost everyone uses the exact same tool, a search box. There are 6 levels between these 2 screens, and most people never leave the first one. Let's climb all 6. Level 1. The Amateur. This level treats Claude like a fancy Google. You type a question, you get an answer. Faster than a web search, but nothing compounds. Tomorrow you start from 0 again. Watch. Ask it pulled, and you get this. Generic, forgettable, no idea who you are. Now 2 sentences change everything. Before you answer, ask me any questions you need to write this properly, and it interviews you. Then, check your own work, and it catches its own weak lines and fixes them. Same tool, completely different output, and you did not learn a thing except how to ask. So there is your first move. Make it interview you, then make it check its work. Level 2. The Regular. This level stops throwing away everything you tell it. You give Claude a workspace, a project, with a master prompt and your files. Now it remembers who you are, what you sell, how you talk. Watch. A brand new chat, and it already knows the brand voice, the offer, the audience. You will never paste your background in again. Your next move. Name the project after your role, let Claude interview you to build the master prompt, then add your files. And this is nothing next to what happens when the project can reach your actual inbox. Level 3. The Integrator. This level plugs Claude into where the work actually lives. Gmail, Drive, Slack, Notion, through connectors. Now it does not guess from memory. It goes and gets your real data. Watch. Pull last week's numbers from the sheet and chart them. It reads the real spreadsheet, not a guess, and draws the chart live in the panel. Ask for a mock-up, and it builds a working one right there. You stop exporting and paste them between 5 tabs. Your next move. Connect your tools, and stop exporting. Let Claude go get it. Quick gut check. Most people watching are somewhere right around here. The top half is where it stops being a chat tool at all. Level 4. The Operator. This is the line where it stops being you using Claude and becomes Claude doing the work. You build a skill, a saved procedure with the steps and the scripts for a task you do over and over. Then you chain them. One skill's output feeds the next, a pipeline. Watch. That report just wrote, formatted, and saved itself, then handed off to the next skill without me. That is the moment a workflow leaves your hands for good. Your next move. Build a skill for every repeating task and chain them into a pipeline. Real talk. The first time I chained these, it broke right here, on the handoff. Fixing that one thing is what makes the next level possible. Level 5. The Builder. Claude stops using software and starts shipping it. Claude Code builds the internal tools your business actually needs. The dashboard, the little app, the automation, with no developer and no waiting. Watch. It went from a sentence to a working tool you can open right now. And Claude in Chrome does the work on any website. You write the instructions once, and it clicks, types, and fills the forms itself on a real site. Your next move. Build your internal tools with Claude Code. Install Claude in Chrome, and write it once, then let it run. Level 6. The Architect. The Top. You stop doing the work, and we stop even directing it. You design a system that directs itself. One orchestrator agent, the chief executive of the operation. It does not do the work, it assigns it. Underneath it, specialized sub-agents, each owning one job, running in parallel. And a critique agent that checks every output before it ships. You build it once, then you let it run. And this is not a theory I am selling you. This is Anthropic's own team. A multi-agent system with one agent leading a team of smaller agents beat their single best model by 90%. One agent directing a team of agents beating the strongest model working alone. That is the whole idea of Level 6. One piece you do not skip. The critique agent. Without it, the machine ships its mistakes confidently at full speed all day. That one agent is the difference between a system and a liability. A connected team of agents running a real operation is a product you can sell, and we built the full e-commerce version in the library. So there is your map. Remember at the start, when I promised you a business that runs itself? Now you have seen all 6 levels that get you there. Quick, honest one for the comments. Which level did you think you were on when this started? And which one are you actually on now? Say both. And if you want to climb all 6 with me, subscribe. We go 1 level deeper than everyone else every week. Because here's the part nobody tells you. A machine that runs itself will happily run the wrong business perfectly. Before you build any of this, one decision decides whether it is worth building at all. Which of these systems actually makes money in your niche? That is the next video, and it is right here.